Welcome back students. Today in this video we'll discuss CBSE class 12th English core latest syllabus of academic session 2021. Keep watching this video till end so that you get detailed information about your course. So let's get started. Now let me first tell you that there are all total 4 sections in your paper. First section A of reading skills. Reading skills are of 20 marks. Again section B writing skills of 30 marks. Section C literature textbooks of 30 marks. Section D that is ASL assessment of speaking and listening skills of 20 marks. This would be your section D and it is your internal marks. I mean to say that these marks are in your school's hand. So total 100 marks. Now let us discuss the marks distribution for all the 4 sections. Let us first see the reading parts. Reading skills of 20 marks, which includes 2 passages. First passage of 12 marks, and this first passage will include MCQs of 5 marks, 5 questions. Short answer questions of 5 marks. Here also 5 questions. And next vocabulary of 2 marks. 2 questions will be asked based on synonyms or antonyms. Synonyms means similar words, antonym is opposite words. Then second passage will be of 8 marks. Here 2 questions will be asked. One note making, second summary. Both for 4 marks. You need to write note of the given paragraph and based on that paragraph you need to write summary of it. So 4 each carries 8 marks. So this is of your reading skills. Now let me talk about writing skills of 30 marks. It has 3 parts. Let us first discuss about the first part. First part is your short composition which carries 4 marks. In this you have notice writing, poster making, advertisement, invitation, formal or informal. Now you need to prepare all these 4, but in your exam questions will come from any of these 4 and you need to attempt only 1 out of this 4. Next part, the second part will be your long composition which carries 6 marks. That is letter writing or application for a job. Now you have to attempt any one out of this 2. Now it wholly depends on your examination paper how it comes. Either they can ask both the letters and you have to write any one, or they can ask you one letter or one application. Any one option can come. It wholly depends on the examination paper setter. Okay, now let us talk about the third part, that is very long composition of 20 marks. Here you have article writing, debate, speech and report writing. Now here you need to prepare all these 4 things. Now it wholly depends on the paper setter. Now how the paper comes, like sometimes they can ask you both the questions of article writing, or sometimes they can ask you on any one of this topic. Now 2 questions will come in this part, third part. So total for section B are 3. First part short composition carries 4 marks. Again second part long composition carries 6 marks. Third part very long composition carries 20 marks, 10 marks for both the question. I think this is clear. Now the total marks for your writing part will be 30 marks. Okay. Now let's discuss about section C, that is literature textbooks. Section C will be of 30 marks. We have 2 books. First book Flamingo, where you have 2 parts. For the prose, you have 8 chapters, and for poetry, you have 6 chapters. Again, the second book is of Vistas, where it carries 8 chapters. Now let's discuss distribution of literature marks of these two books. Here 4 questions will come. First question will be of To Extract, which carries 8 marks. One from prose and the other one from poetry. 4 marks each, total 8 marks. Second question will be short answer type questions of 10 marks. Here 7 questions will come. You have to attempt only 5 out of this 7. These questions will be from Flamingo as well as from Vistas, and each question carries 2 marks. Your third question will be long answer type question, which carries 6 marks, and one question, this long answer type question will come from your Flamingo, and it will carry 6 marks. Question number 4, same long answer type question, but this question will come from your Vistas, which will again carry 6 marks. So all total section C carries 30 marks. I think this is clear to you. Now at last, let us talk about section D. Your section D will be your ASL, that is Assessment of Speaking and Listening Skills. And this section will carry 20 marks. Speaking skill 10 marks, listening skills 10 marks. This section is to test the speaking and listening skills of the students. This is internal marks which your teacher will assess and will give you marks out of 20. Okay, prepare everything for your board exam. So that's all about CBSE 12th syllabus for academic session 2021. Do like this channel and share, and also press the bell icon to get further notifications of this channel. So meet you again with some new videos. Keep rocking, take care, and bye-bye.